24, and we wanted to count up from 24, so 25, 26. And basically you can jump using a load feature and count up from that. So what I was thinking was adding a adder that has a +1 and a register. I can store the data. So let's say we wanted to put 23 inside of the adder. It's going to come out with 24. And that 24 is going to go back into the register. You can keep on adding up by 1. And you can reset this register and you can put a new number and keep on doing it. So it's basically a cool little load feature I thought.